So, the next topic is atoms and atomic mass. Individual atoms are very small and it is difficult to measure their mass. If larger objects means we can put it in a weighing scale and by using that we can measure. But atom is a very small particle. So, it is difficult to measure their atomic mass. You can measure the mass of macroscopic particle. Macro means larger particles in grams or kilogram. The mass of an atom is measured in atomic mass unit. So, larger particle can be measured by using the unit gram or kilogram. Mass of an atom is measured in atomic mass unit. AMU, simply it is represent AMU. Atomic mass unit is, so from this part they can ask what is atomic mass unit. You have to write that first line only. Atomic mass unit is 1/12 of the mass of carbon 12 atom. Mass of carbon 12 atom. 1/12. If you separate carbon 12 into 12 parts means that one part is equal to atomic mass unit. If you separate carbon 12 atom into 12 parts means that one part is equal to atomic mass unit. So, that one is given, atomic mass unit is 1/12 of the mass of the carbon 12. What do you mean by carbon 12? Carbon 12 means carbon atomic number 6, mass number 12. Atomic number 6 means it contains 6 proton, 6 neutron and 6 electron. So, carbon 12 means carbon mass number 12, that only here given carbon 12 atom, that is isotope of carbon. Carbon 12 means that is one of the isotope. Carbon 13, carbon 14 also exists. So, here we are taken as a carbon 12 atom as a standard unit. So, isotopes of carbon 12 atom means that is one of the isotopes of carbon. That isotopes contain 6 proton and 6 neutron because atomic number is 6. Atomic number 6 means 6 proton, 6 electron and it contains also 6 neutrons. The symbol AMU is no longer used in modern system and instead it use the symbol U. Nowadays it represents only U. U means unified atomic mass. The mass of the proton and the neutron, the mass of a proton, the mass of one proton or one neutron is approximately equal to 1 EMU. Next heading, relative atomic mass. In this heading only one question is only given, that is definition. Relative atomic mass definition only given. If they ask define or what define relative atomic mass means, you have to write this point. See here, relative atomic means what? Relative atomic mass means what? The ratio between average mass of the isotopes of the element to 1/12th mass of the carbon 12 atom. 1/12th mass of one carbon 12 atom. This ratio is called as relative atomic mass. Here that capital A indicates atomic mass, that small r indicates relative. So, relative atomic mass is equal to ratio between average mass of the isotopes of the element to 1/12th mass of the carbon 12 atom. That only given in this paragraph also. Relative atomic mass of an element is the ratio between average mass of the isotopes to 1/12th part of the mass of the carbon 12 atom. This is denoted as symbol AR. It is otherwise called standard atomic weight. So, relative atomic mass, as an atom is very small, its absolute mass cannot be determined directly. Already we know, very small, we cannot measure the mass directly. So, indirectly we can measure. The early pioneers of chemistry used to measure the atomic mass of an atom relative to an atom of another element. That means, by using another element, we can determine the mass of the atom. They measure the mass of equal number of atoms of two or more elements at a time to determine the relative mass. They established one element as a standard, gave it an arbitrary value of atomic mass, and using this value they measure the relative mass of the other element. Same point only given. By using another element we can determine the mass of an atom, that is called as relative atomic mass. Here relative means compare. By using another element, by comparing another element, we can assume, arbitrarily assume, that is approximately assume the mass of the atom. So, they established one element as a standard and gave it an arbitrarily value of atomic mass, and using this value they measured the relative mass of the other element. The mass obtained by this way, that is called as relative atomic mass. That is called as relative atomic mass. In the beginning, for standard, hydrogen is taken. In the beginning, the mass of the hydrogen atom was chosen as a standard, and mass of the other atoms were compared with it. Compared to hydrogen, this atom mass is twice. Compared to hydrogen, the atom mass thrice, 10 times, 25 times, like that. Based on that hydrogen atom, they can assume the mass of the atom. Initially hydrogen atom was chosen because of the existence of the isotopic character of hydrogen. Three isotopes are there for hydrogen: H11, H12, H13. H11 protium, H12 deuterium, H13 tritium. The later hydrogen atom was replaced by oxygen as the standard. Now the stable isotopes of carbon 12 with atomic mass 12 is used as a standard. Initially hydrogen is used as a standard for comparing the mass of another element. After that oxygen is used. Now currently carbon 12 is used. Based on the carbon 12 only, the definition is given here. That is, relative atomic mass is equal to ratio between average atomic mass of the element to 1 by 12th mass of carbon 12. So, in this formula carbon 12 is taken as a standard element. What do you mean by average mass of the isotopes of element? Average, example, take oxygen, chlorine, take chlorine, atomic number 17, mass number 35, 37. But in periodic table the mass of the chlorine is given as 35.45, like that. This is the average atomic mass. So, one isotope has 35, another isotope has 37, the average mass is 35.45. So, that is one example. So, average mass of the isotopes of element to 1 by 12th mass of carbon 12 atom. This is relative atomic mass. Modern methods of determination of atomic mass by mass spectroscopy. By using this mass spectrometry instrument only, nowadays we are determining the atomic mass. So, this is important for 1 mark. That mass spectrometry uses carbon 12 as a standard. For most of the elements, the relative atomic mass is very closer to a whole number. So, it is rounded off to a whole number to make a calculation easier. So, if that mass is decimal means it will be rounded off. So, that is given in table 7.1. See here, relative atomic mass of the elements is given based on carbon 12. Hydrogen atomic number, atomic mass is 1, relative atomic mass is 1. For carbon, relative atomic mass 12. Like that for nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, for sodium 23 and magnesium 24, and for sulfur 32. So, sum of the relative atomic mass is given, and here they gave the definition for gram atomic mass. It is similar to relative atomic mass, the only one difference is gram. Relative atomic mass is only a ratio, we know already, the relative atomic mass is a ratio only. So, it has no unit. If the atomic mass of an element is expressed in grams means that is called as gram atomic mass. Example, atomic mass of the hydrogen is 1 gram. If you use gram as a unit means that is called as gram atomic mass. Like that, mass of the carbon is 12. If gram unit is used means that is called as gram atomic mass. Like that, gram atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 gram, gram atomic mass of oxygen is 16 gram. So, the next heading is average atomic mass. In this part it contains only one question, that is definition is given for average atomic mass. What is average atomic mass? Average atomic mass of an element is the weighted average of the mass of its naturally occurring isotope. Average atomic mass of an element is the weighted average of the mass of its naturally occurring isotope. By seeing an example, we can understand that average atomic mass definition. For carbon, the naturally occurring isotopes are 2. Same isotopes means already you know, same atomic number, different mass number. Same atomic number, 6 number, but mass only different, 12 and 13. Naturally, carbon exists in 2 forms, carbon 12 and carbon 13. If you are taking 100 molecules means 98.9% this type only present, the remaining only one type, few molecules only exist as a C13, carbon 13. By using this value, we can determine the average atomic mass. The 12 mass of carbon present 98.9% plus 13th mass of carbon, 13th mass of carbon, that is present only 1.1%, so that only given. So, which carbon contains 12 mass mean that only present 98.9%, so that only given. Which carbon contain 12 mass that present 98.9% plus which carbon contain 13 mass means that only present 1.1%. If you are simplify means 12 into 98.9 divided by 100 means you can write like this 0.989 plus 13 into 1.1 divided by 100 means 0.011. If you multiply by this number means you will get 11.868 plus 0.143. Finally, you will get 12.011 atomic mass unit. It will be rounded off means finally you will get 12 atomic mass unit. By using this calculation, so that calculation is given in the same page only, here only. By using this example, again we will try to understand these two lines. Average atomic mass of an element is weighted average of the mass of its naturally occurring isotope. These are naturally occurring isotopes. The weighted average of the mass. The weighted average means this 12 mass into 98.9 percentage plus 13th mass into 1.1 percentage. So, this is the weighted average of the mass of its naturally occurring isotopes. So, what is average atomic mass? Average atomic mass of an element is weighted average or weighted average of the mass of its naturally occurring isotopes.